This lesson is going to be super easy. We're going to cover absolute value, square roots, and exponents. All right, so absolute value is how far a number is from the 0 point on a number line. All right, it's just how many spaces from the origin it is. So if I draw a number line down here with a 0 in the middle, it's called your origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, and I plot -4. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 places from the origin. So the absolute value of -4 is just 4. If I plot 4 on a number line and I count from the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, the absolute value of 4 is just 4. It is as simple as that. If you have something inside of those absolute value signs to solve, simplify that first, just like you do in parentheses. Solve down everything inside and then bring out the positive version. So if you have the absolute value of -30, it's just 30. You have the absolute value of 6 minus 2, do the 6 minus 2 first, and then solve it. Roots. Square root of 25. What times what, or what squared is 25? And the answer is 5. 5 times 5 is 25, therefore the square root of 25 is 5. When I have stuff to do under the radical sign, now this symbol here, we call it a square root. That's because there's an understood 2 right here. It's called, but if you put a 3 there or a 4 there, you have the third root, the fourth root, the fifth root. You can have all these roots. That sign itself is called a radical symbol, okay? So when you have things under your radical to do, you need to solve that first. So in this case, I have 12 plus 24. 12 plus 24 is 36. Now I square root this, and it's 6. Why? Because 6 times 6 is 36. Squaring and cubing. So this is your base, this is your exponent. The exponent tells me how many of those numbers that I have. So in this case, I have 2 3s. It is not 3 times 2, it is 3 times 3. Our brains see a 3 and a 2 and we instantly think 6. It is not. 3 cubed is not 3 times 3, it's 3 times 3 times 3. You have 3 3s, which equals 27. Okay? If you have stuff inside of your parentheses with an exponent, you have to solve everything inside your parentheses first. Okay? That's it. You have a super quick, super easy online assignment reviewing these. And I know this is super simple, but remember we started at the very beginning to cover the basic principles of mathematics. All right, that's it for this one. Don't forget your online assignment. I linked it where this was.